To remove a search bar from home screen in Google Pixel, first of all, we'll need to download a third-party app from Google Play Store, as sadly we won't be able to remove it without any third-party apps. So we need to click on a search and then type in Nova Launcher. Install this app right here. I've already installed it just to make it quicker. And then when you have it installed, you can open the app, and then it will ask you to change your Pixel launcher to Nova Launcher. Set it as default. And then after you've set it as a default, we want to enter the Nova settings by swiping up like this, and then click on Nova settings. Now we want to scroll to the home screen, and when you enter home screen, click on the search. If you select the search, you can pick none, and then we can go back. And as you can see, the search bar is gone. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.